Thanks for tuning in. Hi, I'm Kyla Grogan from HXGN TV. Airstream, an American brand of travel trailers and touring coaches, has been using Hexagon's Xalt platform to help streamline their business processes, accelerating their digital transformation. Today, we'll explore how Airstream is using Xalt and the benefits they're seeing. Joining us now is Eric Clinton. He is the Quality Assurance Manager with Airstream. We're going to discuss how Hexagon's Xalt platform has helped improve the way you do business. Welcome, Eric.
Thank you.
All right, so first let's talk a little bit about Airstream and your role in the company.
I'm the Quality Assurance Manager there. My job is to basically remove roadblocks for the guys on the floor.
That sounds like a good function. What are the biggest business and process challenges you faced that led you to search for a way to improve? So what brought you to Hexagon's doorstep?
So when I first came to Airstream, the quality team there that does final inspection was a very experienced group of associates, but the process that they went through to inspect a trailer was based on their experience. Basically, they walked into a trailer with a blank sheet of paper to inspect the coach, write up everything they found that was wrong, the customer wouldn't be happy with, so that we could correct those before we ship the product.
So what was the setup of Xalt? Did it fit in easily at Airstream? Did you have adjustments to make to that, or how did the two kind of come together?
So we developed a final inspection app that basically gave the inspectors a list of things to check, and also a list of things that could be wrong with that item. So it helped them to make sure that every inspector was looking at every coach the same way. It helped us to train new inspectors to come on. As far as adoption, very easily adopted by our group. I had inspectors that had never touched an iPad before.
Wow.
They took right to it.
Okay, very good. So what benefits have you seen from Xalt now, and how does it help you face the challenges that you were talking about before? Has it really helped kind of change the culture, it sounds like, of how you do this?
It absolutely has. So before, we were taking paper forms that had handwritten notes on them and basically sampling that information, collating it, getting it out to production managers over the course of a week.
Yeah.
Now we're able to capture data real time and to get that data back to production managers within the day.
It's a big difference.
It is, and it's 100% of the data. We're no longer sampling.
Right. Okay, so obviously better quality of information that you're getting, and quicker.
Quicker, yes.
So what excites you the most about Airstreams Future and accelerating your digital transformation? Because it sounds like this has been a really big change for your company.
It has, and we're starting to take the platform and apply it to other areas for inspection for our dealers on incoming product on their lot, on production travelers, so that the production managers in station are able to check product. We instituted an audit program using the platform.
Very cool.
Yes.
All right. Well, we were talking about Airstream being an iconic brand, so it's kind of taking that iconic brand into the future with Hexagon.
Absolutely.
Sounds like a good match.
It is.
Thank you so much for being with us today, Eric. For more information about today's topic, you can visit hexagonxalt.com, and to watch additional HXGN TV episodes or learn more, visit hxgnspotlight.com. Thanks for tuning in.